Hello guys, it's your favorite content creator, Nabike TV, and I'm here with
Tochi.
Okay, Tochi, which country are you representing in this food competition?
Togo.
Togo.
Togo
You are
boy.
representing Togo, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you?
Huh?
What's your name?
MC White.
MC White.
Yeah.
Which country are you representing in this food competition?
Gambia.
Gambia
Okay,
boy.
guys,
boy.
Gambia vs Togo. Okay, I have 20,000 naira for you guys. Whosoever that finish his food first, 3 fufu each. Whosoever that finish it first, we go home with 20,000 naira. So are you guys in?
Yes.
Are you in?
Yes.
Are you in?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Gambia
here's the
boy.
money.
Togo.
Action.
Gambia. Togo boy. Togo boy.
As this Togo boy,
Togo
like say
boy.
never see food before.
Gambia
man.
I don't be Togo boy. Gambia, I don't finish one. I use
Togo vs Gambia.
No,
Togo, Gambia, Togo, Gambia, Togo, Gambia.
Who give up? Nine for
Fuck up.
Gambia, I trust you. I trust you. Gambia, I don't finish one. No.
Gambia is done with one.
Togo. Gambia,
Togo.
MC White.
MC White.
Gambia is going down. Togo. Yeah. Togo.
Work for your money.
Gambia boy. I dey see you. Carry go. Gambia. Nothing do. Gambia. If I say one grade Gambia. Easy with your soup. Gambia. Togo don dey rush. Gambia. Who give up? Nine fuck up. I swear. Slow and steady. Togo na slow and steady. Gambia. Who give up? Nine fuck up now. Gambia.
This game is hot.
Gambia boy.
No be choice. But
Togo still dey go. Togo is rushing.
They no born you when
No gree for anybody.
Gambia no grow. 20k.
Togo. You know how far now. No allow Gambia to
Gambia no grow.
Togo.
Gambia
Overtaking is allowed. Who give up? Nine fuck up. Gambia waiting now.
No.
Togo nine fuck up. Waiting now.
Togo. Hello guys, here is our winner.
Togo.
Togo.
I'm the winner.
Oh, I try.